This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Java interior, sleeps 4, TV, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, DVD player, external shower, slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features couples coach, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is 9,690 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.